Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be going over a few things I've done since I've last posted the truck. One of the things I've done is got rid of the Ford emblem on here. It was a LED. It was kind of off-white, which is what really made me get rid of it. I had one of these before, but it fell off on the road, and then I was like, well, I guess I'll try out the LED one and see how that goes. And that didn't really go good either. So I ended up just going back with a stock. Another thing I did is I got rid of the Turo Trail Blades, which the mud tire is what everyone wants and likes, is the mud tires currently, but I kind of just got done with that and got some all-terrain. So I got Nitto Recon grapplers. They do a good job, and they're still aggressive, I feel like. They're 285 60 20, as you can see on the sidewall, which is still a 33, just 33 1150 instead of 33 1250. Which I kind of prefer that, not gonna lie. The 1250 looks good, but for overall usability, the 1150, I mean, look at that, dude. That's still aggressive. And it's all terrain. I think 1150 is a sweet spot on stock wheels, though. Now, if you have a bigger lift, like a 4-inch, 6-inch lift, I'd probably put 1250s on it, but. Alright, guys, so the next thing I've done is I've got this lower valance right here and put the tow hooks on it, because this is a rear-wheel drive. It didn't come with that, so I went ahead and added that. I feel like a truck should have tow hooks. Now these tow hooks, they're from they said 04 to current, and I was like, yeah, I don't believe that, and I see why. So I'm gonna have to get some at the junkyard, because the 04 to 08s have or 06 to 08s, they changed the bumper. They hang a little bit lower than that, so I think I'm probably gonna swap those out. Switchbacks. I got switchback mirror lights. They were just normal ones before, and I think I talked about in the video how I had some. But now, they are the switchbacks. And I actually really like the switchbacks. It adds something to the mirrors, like, because I already have the Alpha Rexes on here, and they're only doing the flickering because it's the camera. It's nothing that they do in person, I promise you that. But yeah, I like the switchbacks. Now some people get the switchbacks on the on this side too. On that, you can't kind of see it. There's a light there, but some people get it there too. I think that's too much, honestly. Then you're gonna have that light shining in your eyes at night. So I don't really want to have that shining in my eyes. Okay, guys. So the next thing I got is this bed cover right here. It's a real truck tuxedo. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these lights real quick, and I'll show y'all. Oh yeah, and a spray in bed liner. That was a big change. This is done by NTO Bedliners locally to me in Nashville. So they did a good job. See, their cutoff line's pretty good. This is a very nice bed cover. It's a roll up. So I'll get back here. Just gotta roll it up. And you can imagine it rolls all the way up to the cab, which is my favorite feature of this. I love a roll up. Alright, so I think the next thing I may have done is these wheel well liners. I don't know if I had them in yet. They changed the whole look of the truck, I think. Because before it's just a bare, I don't know, I guess just bare metal. This just really completes the look. It looks full in there. When the rock lights come on, they kind of like only light up that area. It just makes the overall like look of this truck a whole lot better, I feel like. Maybe the only other thing I've done is the exhaust. I don't know if I've talked about that, because I don't know if I have the exhaust yet. Put it out and do a little startup. It's got a single and dual out Flowmaster Super 10. I didn't get true duals, I know, but they're just a little bit on the pricey side, so that's why I ended up getting these. That's just such a good sound. You cannot tell me that does not sound good, dude. This stereo right here is a Pioneer 3800 NEX. It has a 9-inch screen. It's got all kinds of features. You can cast your phone to it. It's got Android Auto, wireless, Apple CarPlay too. backup camera, and I can also put another camera input for the front if I want to have a front camera. It's got all kinds of features. I don't know. It does what I need. It's got very good quality sound. And I guess the next thing I would have done is this radar detector. I don't know if that really counts, as you can add that to anything, but yeah. So future plans, I don't have many plans for this thing now because I've pretty much got it where I've wanted it. This is the idea I had whenever I first laid eyes on this truck. Here's a little truck update. I can probably do a video later on about other things I like about the truck and stuff. I'll probably do that eventually at some point. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.